Hello, good morning, and then good afternoon and good night for everyone, every students in Indonesia or wherever you are. And now we will talk about numbers. Okay, before we talk about numbers, let me introduce myself. My name is Faustinus Adven. I am a mathematics teacher in SMPN 212 Jakarta. This is the junior high school in South Jakarta, and then it is located in Jeruk Purut, Cilandak Timur. Okay, numbers is one of the topic or material that learned in elementary school or in international curriculum. It is maybe in the grade 3, 4 or 5, yeah, for the numbers, but it is possible to learn it again so you can memorize or you can know about these numbers. For the first, now the term is, when we talk about numbers, we will talk about numbers, figures, digit, value, place value, and number lines. There are so many topics here, but this is very easy if you can understand it. Now, I will tell you one by one slowly, and then I hope you can, maybe if I'm too fast when I'm explaining to you, you can review again or move to the time before. Okay. And then in numbers, we have natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rationals, irrational, real, and complex number. What are they? So I will explain one by one, but before we go there, we will learn about how to write numbers in words. Okay, now we will talk about Venn diagram of number sets. This is the Venn diagram of the numbers. There are so many numbers, right? So the smallest number is natural number. This is the sets of the small set of the natural numbers here, and then whole numbers. So natural numbers is a part of whole numbers, and then both of them are the parts of integers, and then but they are the part of rational numbers, and then rational numbers is different with irrational, but irrational numbers and rational numbers is the subset of real numbers, and then all the numbers is the complex number. Okay, then for the first, before we learn about numbers, we will learn about place value. For place value, we will learn about ones, tens, hundred, thousands, million, billion, trillion, and quadrillions. What are they? So be careful. Place values like the numbers, but they have S, letter S in the end of their words. So for example, this is the place value of numbers, but this is the different type. Okay, right. Look, this is the comma here. In Indonesia, I mean comma or decimal, but in international curriculum, they write this as a point, like in Indonesian. For Indonesian, maybe they write with a dot. They call it point dot, but the international curriculum or the other curriculum said this use comma. Okay, this is one. So this is the smallest one, and then tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 billion, until 10 trillions. I will tell you what's the meaning of that. Okay, look, for example, 39,802, 3 is in the 10,000th place. Wait. Sorry. 3 is the 10,000 place. Look, 3 is, when you say place, it is like is in the 10,000 place, and it represents 3 times 10,000 times equals to 30,000. This is the represents, or what is the value of them. So value and place value is different. Okay, look, be careful, yeah. When I ask you what is the place for what is the thousand place, what you call it, or what you can write, and then what is represent, or what is the value of 3 in this number. So you can say 30,000. Different, yeah. If I say place value, you can write these words, but when I call you, or when I mention what is the value, is only number. So place value and value is different. For example, again, 9 is the thousands place. 9 is the thousand, right? So this is, you can represent as 9 times thousands, because this is thousands, so you can write the number here. 1000 equals to 9 times 1000 equals to 9000. This is the value. And then 8 is the hundreds place. It represents 8 times 100 equals to 800. This is the represent, but this is the place value. Hundreds is place value. And then 0, look at the 0. 0 is the tens place. It represents, because this is 10, right? 0 times 10 equals 0. So this is the value of the 0 is 0. There is no value, right? But this is the 0. And then 2 is the ones place. It represents, okay, 2. Look at 2. 2 is the place is in the place value is in the ones, and then represents 2 times 1 equals to 2. So let's make a difference between place value and value. Now this is the conclusion. Conclusion is 39,802 represent 30,000 plus 9,000 plus 8,000 and then plus 2, and its rate 39,802. You can use this and then comma here and 802. Now this one ordering. The first term is place value, and then the second one is ordering. The process of placing numbers in their proper sequence. This is ordering. The definition of ordering is the process of placing numbers in their proper sequence. And then this one is symbols, and then becomes the read term and symbols. This one is, and Indonesia, maybe you can put strip here, and then you can say kurang, or you can read less than. This one is greater than, this one is less than or equal to, and this one is greater than or equal to, because there is an equal here. Then number line is the line that have many numbers, but it is in the same distance between one number to the other number. And then the more right, the greater the number will be, and the more length, the smaller the numbers will be. Now this one's for everything time. This is your assignment for today, so please write and read in the front. Okay, for the read I will give you this for the next meeting, but now you have to write the place value of these numbers. This one is number 1, number 2. This is not comma, but this is point, yeah, in Indonesian. So for example, I can read this with 59,841, and then the second 2 is 164,132, and then number 3 is like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So you can read the place value. Look, place value, yeah, not value. Okay. Now this is the second assignment, is like give symbols and explain why. 7 blah 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 12. You can write what here? What do you write here? Less than or greater than, or less than or equal to, up to you. Yeah, we have learned about ordering. Okay, this is, please screenshot, or you can write on your notebook. Okay, yeah, this is our lesson today, so please learn by yourself and then watch again and watch again, and then you can understand. Okay, good luck for today. Thank you.